Vinci. I'm here with another video. If this is your first time coming across my video, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I release daily videos Monday through Friday. If you're a current subscriber, welcome back. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the gang. Y'all been treating me good on my YouTube channel recently, so I'm going to give away the best unsaturated product to sell now, Shopify Dropshipping, going into Q4 2019, headed all the way into 2020. So, show you boys some love. Hit that like button, and let's get straight into the video. So, the website that I'm going to be using today is, let me highlight that for y'all, dropship100.com. It'll be the first link in the description. Use code Mr. Da Vinci to get 20% off for your first month. It'll also be pinned below in the comment section as well. So, the product that I have for you to sell, I know most of y'all been looking for a winning product. I told y'all I got y'all, and I did what I said that I was going to do. So, here we have the folding portable iron. Product cost is going to hit you for about $23.30. You're going to be selling this price. You're going to sell this for around the price of $59, giving you a profit margin of $36 a sale. Now, first things first, provided through dropship100.com. We want to look at, we have a nice description over here for your Shopify product listing. Gives a nice description, gives benefits, gives the customer just about everything that they need to know about this. Could add a few more things, but it's fine the way it is, how it is right there. Provided through dropship100.com. The next thing we're going to do is right click, open link in description. I already have it up here, and that's going to take us to our AliExpress supplier. So this on this for $24.38. $23. All right, so we're looking at $1 difference. Doesn't make too much of a difference per se to me, but to each his own. Gonna go with US plug. And the nice thing about this, by looking at this, it tells us that we can sell in the US and we can also sell in Europe. Two different markets that we can tap into. I'm gonna go on the e-packet. Today is October 10th, 2019, so this will arrive in 14 days. If you ask me, 14 business days is a pretty good shipping time. I feel like AliExpress is working on cutting down their delivery time. Long time ago, and I got started back in 2017, shipping times used to be 30 days, but over the course of the 2 going on 3 years, they've been doing good to at least get into 14 through 20 days. I feel in the future it'll get down to at least maybe 10 days in the near future. Who knows? But anyway, so everything looks out here. Next thing we're going to want to do is, Next thing we want to do next is we want to look at the categories we're going into, which is gadgets, gifts, home, and kitchen. So now we know the category we're going to go into. We're going to take a look at this listing on Amazon, which I already have open. And Amazon, whoever's selling this, looks like they're doing a decent job. They got 3 stars. Let's take a look at these ratings. So 40% 5 stars, 31% 1 stars, yada, yada, yada. 146 customer reviews. Their shipping time, it says get as soon as October 31st through November 8th. Clearly, they're drop shipping this on Amazon. Let's take a look. They didn't really put much effort into the product description, so I wouldn't recommend that you get your description from there. I recommend you use your description from dropship100.com. Whoa. Slow down, bro. So, next thing, now that we've got our AliExpress supplier and we've seen that the product is selling on Amazon, we could open eBay, but I'm not going to do it for this video. We want to focus on the targeting. So provided through dropship100.com right here, just in case. Country is going to be USA. Gender, you can actually sell this to both male and females. Age range 18 through 65. Now, I've been running a lot of Facebook ads recently. That's why my videos have been a little slow. But for me, what's been working for my age range is 21 through 45 and 25 through 55. So that's just my own personal opinion of what's been working for me on my Facebook ads. You can take that with a grain of salt. You're welcome to test it out for yourself. Let me know your results down below in the comment section, how that works out for you. Dropshiphunter.com provides us with some interest just for us to get started. They gave us 3 for our Facebook ad interest targeting, Facebook ad detail targeting. We have frequent travelers. We have bookings.com. We have hotels.com. So based off that, it looks like we're going to be targeting people who like to travel a lot. Provided through dropshiphunter.com. They also give us ready ad text to go along with our Facebook ads for the headline. This part, get it now, 50% off. Get yours here. This will be in the description. And they also provide us a nice ready to go video ad for our Facebook feed and Instagram feed that should capture the attention of the general audience that we're looking to target. And let's take a look at this video. I'm not going to turn the sound on because some of y'all probably got headphones on. I don't want that sound just to like explode in your ear. I know it happens to me when I watch a few YouTubers and their videos. But I like this video because it shows the product in motion. I typically like to go for those type of products or video ads that can show the product being used in the video ad. It paints a picture in the customer's head showing them that I'm watching someone else use that, but by watching someone else, they're visualizing themselves as if that was them using that product, and they can see themselves through the video ad when they get it themselves, how they're going to use it for their own different purposes in different ways. But yes, this is what I have for you. Leave me a comment below if you're going to test this product. I'm curious to know how this is going to work out for y'all. Y'all been requesting video winning dropshipping products for me. I said I'll do my best to find some for you. I found one for you. You can sell this throughout the rest of Q4 of 2019, and you can sell this beginning 2020. Leave me a comment below. Let me know how this product is working for you by selling this on Facebook and Instagram. To get access to this, all you have to do is check out the comment section. You're probably there now while you're watching this video, but click on the first link in the comment section. It will take you to dropshiphunter.com. Just sign up for a membership. Use code Mr. DaVinci 20 to get 20% off your first month, and that link will also be available in the description of this video. Use code Mr. DaVinci 20 to get access to Dropship Hunter and get 20% off for your first month. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you like this type of content. I've been noticing y'all been enjoying me making winning video products or where to find products for you to test on your dropship, on your Shopify dropshipping store for Q4. So it helps me, helps you, lets me know that you like this type of video, and you help me by liking this video because you're my customer avatar. You're a man or woman ages 18 through 40. By you liking this video, it spreads across YouTube. Check out all the other content I have on the screen. Mr. DaVinci, I'll see you in the next video.